Namaste friends, welcome to the YouTube channel of Atharo Multispeciality Ayurveda Hospital and Dr. Gaurang Joshi at Rajkot. I'm in International Ayurveda physician at Rajkot. Uh, Today we are starting a series of Ayurvedic tips for your physical, mental and spiritual well-being. And our first topic of today is drinking water empty stomach in the morning. Usually everybody knows the benefits of drinking water, but there is a special benefit has been established by Ayurveda if we drink it in the early morning after waking up on the empty stomach. Why? Because we know during the night we are taking deep sleep and respiratory rate, our metabolic rate, everything is going down. And because of weather condition, cool weather, because normally we are having air conditioners or fans, and due to that there is a possibility of the mucus in the mouth, in our airways and in our trachea, and every early morning mucus or kapha has been produced. So by taking this water in the morning we can remove this mucus. Second, we take the dinner at the night, and because of the dinner, after finishing digestion, there is a possibility to have a little undigested food in the stomach or in the intestine, that is called ama. That is a undigested toxin in our body. So by taking this kind of water in the morning, there is a special benefit. We can remove this ama. Ama means a toxin, because if there is ama, then next day or next food we take, there is a possibility that our digestion process has been delayed, and because of delayed, this undigested food materials is going to be increased. So by taking the water in the morning, we have lots of benefit. Even those who are having a problem of indigestion or those who are having anorexia, this kind of early morning water can increase the agni, digestive fire, so they can have a good they can take a good food in the morning, in the lunch time. So early morning, those who are having a vata prakruti or a kapha prakruti, they need to take lukewarm water. And those who are having a pitta prakruti or those who are having hyperacidity or acid formulation is high, then they need to take water from the matka, that is, that making from mud. So that is a natural water. So for the vata and kapha prakriti people, they can take the water, lukewarm water, that is good for their health. And of course, if you are having constipation or much more vata problems or kapha problem, you can add little bit ginger in the water, and that will be good for the vata and kapha prakriti people. And for those who are having a pitta prakriti, they can take simple matka water that is preserved in the clay pot, and that will be good for the health. So this is called Ushapana, and it is very good for your physical, mental and spiritual health, and it will good for your digestion, for all your even after taking this early morning water, it will activate your salivary glands, and if your salivary glands will active, then your digestive process will become very easy and you will have a good digestion and you can become healthy. Thank you. Namaste.